What if making your home feel more expensive had less to do with buying more, and more to do with creating the right atmosphere? Because the most beautiful homes rarely feel luxurious simply because of what they contain. They feel luxurious because of how they make you feel when you walk through the door. The light feels softer, the rooms feel calmer, natural wood looks richer, linen feels more beautiful. Even an ordinary evening at home can begin to feel like a small retreat. Today, we're exploring 10 paint colors that can create exactly that feeling, from warm, effortless neutrals to deep, atmospheric shades. And stay with me until number 10, because the final color has a remarkable ability to turn an ordinary room into something far more intimate, dramatic, and unforgettable. Number 1. Faro and ball downpipe. There is a particular kind of luxury that only appears when a room becomes a little darker. Faro and ball downpipe brings that sense of depth, the feeling of stepping into a beautifully designed boutique hotel, an intimate library, or a dining room just as evening begins. Imagine warm wood beneath your feet, aged brass catching the glow of a table lamp, linen upholstery softened by years of use, and artwork quietly emerging from the shadows. This isn't luxury that asks for attention. It creates atmosphere, and that's what makes a dark, sophisticated shade so compelling. It can make lighting feel warmer, textures feel richer, and ordinary evenings feel more intentional. If your idea of luxury is intimate, confident, and slightly mysterious, downpipe makes a remarkably memorable first impression. But our next color creates a completely different kind of elegance. Number 2. Sherwin-Williams Naval. If downpipe feels like candlelight, naval feels like confidence. Imagine a room wrapped in deep blue, balanced with natural oak, creamy upholstery, soft brass, and carefully placed lighting. Suddenly, the space feels tailored, almost as though every piece of furniture has been chosen with purpose. Naval has the emotional quality of a beautifully made suit, composed, timeless, and quietly assured. It works especially well when you want your home to have character without becoming overwhelming. Picture yourself sitting in that room at the end of the day, a warm lamp glowing nearby, a favorite book resting on the coffee table, and the outside world finally beginning to disappear. This is luxury with personality. But if deep color feels bold, our next choice takes luxury in a softer, more luminous direction. Number 3. Dulux Green Earth. Some homes feel expensive because they are dramatic. Others feel expensive because they seem completely at peace with themselves. Dulux Green Earth belongs to the second category. There is something wonderfully grounded about bringing an earthy green into a room filled with natural materials. Think oak, woven textures, aged ceramics, linen curtains, and sunlight moving slowly across the floor. The effect is collected rather than decorated. It feels as though the room has developed naturally over time, with every object having a reason to be there. And psychologically, that matters. We often associate the most comfortable homes with a sense of connection, to nature, to craftsmanship, and to a slower rhythm of living. Green earth creates that feeling beautifully, and next, we'll move into a color that takes warmth and comfort even further. Number 4. Sherwin-Williams Accessible Beige. Accessible beige represents one of the most enduring forms of luxury, effortless elegance. Imagine warm, neutral walls surrounding natural oak furniture, softly woven rugs, creamy upholstery, and curtains that move gently with the afternoon light. Nothing feels forced. Nothing is trying too hard. And that is precisely the appeal. Accessible beige can create the impression of a home where comfort and sophistication naturally coexist, a place where you can entertain beautifully on Saturday evening and still curl up with coffee on Sunday morning. This is the kind of color that allows the architecture, textures, and furnishings to speak. It doesn't compete with your home. It gives your home room to breathe. And if understated luxury is your style, The next color takes that timeless feeling into an even brighter, more architectural direction. Number 5. Benjamin Moore White Dove. White can be luxurious, but only when it feels warm enough to live in. Benjamin Moore. White Dove has the emotional quality of a beautifully prepared home on a quiet morning. Sunlight filters through the windows, fresh linen catches the light, natural wood looks softer. Architectural details become more noticeable without feeling overly formal. Imagine classic molding, a vase of fresh branches, warm stone, and an upholstered chair positioned exactly where the afternoon sun reaches it. That is the beauty of a timeless, warm white. It doesn't tell you what your home should be. It simply creates a graceful backdrop for the life you're already living. And sometimes, the most sophisticated rooms are the ones that seem almost effortless. But now, we're going somewhere more organic and a little more enveloping. Number 6. Bare Mountain Olive. Mountain olive has the feeling of escaping without actually leaving home. Imagine a living room surrounded by natural textures, warm wood, woven baskets, aged pottery, and soft upholstery. Outside, perhaps there are trees beyond the windows. Inside, the atmosphere feels grounded and private. There is something deeply comforting about colors that seem to borrow their character from the landscape. Mountain olive can make a room feel less like a showroom and more like a retreat. And that distinction is important. Luxury isn't always about perfection. Sometimes it is about creating a place where you can finally exhale. Picture an evening here, low lighting, a textured throw across the sofa, something warm to drink, and nowhere else you need to be. That's the kind of luxury that stays with you. And next, we'll soften that natural feeling into something even more restorative. Number 7. Sherwin-Williams Clary Sage. Clary Sage feels like bringing a quiet garden indoors. Its appeal isn't simply that it is green, it's the emotional atmosphere it can create around everyday life. Imagine waking up to soft morning light, natural wood beside you, linen curtains moving gently near the window, and a room that feels calm before the day has even begun. There is something restorative about that image. After hours of screens, traffic, notifications, and noise, a home can become more than a place to live. It can become a place that helps you slow down. Clary Sage works beautifully within that idea of home as sanctuary. It feels organic, mature, and quietly elegant. But the next color introduces something more intimate, something that can make a room feel beautifully cocooned. Number 8. Benjamin Moore Raccoon Hollow. Not every room needs to be bright to feel welcoming. Some of the most memorable interiors are a little darker, a little quieter, and much more intimate. Benjamin Moore. Raccoon Hollow belongs to that world. Imagine it with walnut furniture, soft leather, natural stone, woven textiles, and the warm glow of a table lamp. Suddenly, the room feels made for lingering. Perhaps dinner has ended, but nobody is ready to leave the table, or you're curled into the corner of the sofa while rain taps gently against the windows. That is the emotional appeal of deeper, earthy tones. They can give a room a sense of privacy, a feeling that the outside world has been left just beyond the door. And after that depth, our next shade brings us somewhere softer, more personal, and beautifully relaxed. Number 9. Sherwin-Williams Breathless. Some colors don't make a dramatic entrance, they simply make the room feel better. Sherwin-Williams Breathless has that softer quality. Imagine a bedroom at the end of the day, layered linen bedding, a quiet upholstered headboard, warm wood beside the bed, and a small lamp casting a gentle pool of light across the room. The mood isn't grand, it's intimate. This is the kind of luxury you notice when you're actually living in the space. The comfort of getting ready for bed, opening a book, turning down the lights, and feeling the day finally begin to loosen its grip. A beautiful home should impress guests, of course, but it should also give something back to the people who live there. And our final color takes that idea of understated beauty all the way back to the simplest luxury of all: beautiful light. Number 10, Dulux Linen White. There's something special about a home in the early morning. The rooms are quiet. The curtains are just beginning to glow. Natural light settles across the floor, and everything feels fresh before the day has had a chance to become busy. Dulux Linen White captures something of that feeling. It has an understated elegance that allows the rest of the room to come forward. Warm wood, woven textures, artwork, soft upholstery, and the small details that make a house feel personal. Imagine walking into the kitchen with the first cup of coffee, sunlight touching the walls, and the entire home feeling calm before anyone else has arrived. That is a very different kind of luxury. Not something you display, something you experience. And perhaps that is the most important thing these 10 colors have in common. And that is the real secret behind these 10 colors. The most luxurious home isn't necessarily the one with the largest rooms or the most expensive furniture. It's the one that makes you feel something the moment you walk inside. Maybe that's the quiet confidence of navel, the warmth of accessible beige, the timeless beauty of white dove, the restorative character of clary sage, or the atmospheric depth of downpipe, because ultimately, you're not just choosing a color for your walls. You're choosing the feeling you want to come home to. So I'm curious, which one would you actually bring into your home? Tell me your favorite in the comments, and if you love calm, timeless interiors and cozy luxury, stay with us for the next home inspiration video. There are plenty more beautiful spaces waiting to be discovered.